So far, we saw how we can use transition properties to enhance the look and feel of our website, but we've been only using it with just one property. With this example, we've been only transitioning the background color property. What if you wanted to transition multiple properties? Let's say that you want to transition the background color and the border color. Now, CSS allows you to transition multiple properties. And to do so, you can define the list of properties, separated in the transition property. So here, let's add border color. And now the border color is also transitioning. But notice here, since we are defining two different properties here and only setting one value in the transition duration, the same value is applied to the background color and the border color. But if you add a comma, then set another value, now the first value will be applied to the background color, and the second value will be applied to the second property that we defined, which is the border color. Basically, you can define different values to each of the transition properties that we saw in this chapter. For example, let's set a different delay. So let's say that I want the transition for the background color to start immediately. So I will say 0 second, and for the border color to start after 1 second. And now when we hover over this button, the background color is changing, but the border color will wait 1 second, then it will start changing. Now let's see it with another example. Here I have a box and I want to change its height and width when it is being hovered. So let's set the rule, and now let's add the transition property. So we say height, width, and let's give them the same duration. So if we set only one value here, the same duration will be applied to the height and the width. But here in the transition timing function, let's set the first one to ease out, but for the second one, let's choose a custom cubic Bezier function. And now when we hover over this box, we are having this nice effect.